Hi guys, this is Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah. Welcome back to my channel. So we are here for day 8 of our Advent Calendar Christmas series for 2022. And if you watch the trailer, you'll know that I'm listing something in my Etsy shop every single day between now and Christmas Day. The 24th being the last day of, of offerings. So physical items that will be for sale in my shop. Today I have got 3 tag bags. And they are all available. They are on a potluck basis. So I cannot guarantee which one of these tag bags you will get. They will just be listed in my shop as a quantity of 3. And, you would just purchase 1 or 2, or you could purchase all 3 if you wished. But you won't be able to specify which one you get, I'm afraid. So, yeah, I'm going to do the, the flip through now of what you get in your tag bags. Hi guys, this is Tina. This is the basic holiday journal that we made on film together. So I'm just going to show you the tag bags first, and then we'll have a quick look at the junk journal. So basically, I'm going to go through them one at a time. So we'll do this one first. So this one here, obviously they're all going to be the same, as in they are all a tag shaped bag. And what you get is 10 tags contained within that bag. And obviously then, they're for use however you want to use them in your junk journals. So this one here, we've got the pink bow. We've got some pretty bits on the front and some of this little pink kind of trim. So contained within there. Now I'm not going to really show you the backs because of course the backs are generally going to be plain because they are tags. But you've got a choice of, or a variety of 10 different tags in different styles. So we've got this one here. We have got this one here. You've got some stitching around there. You've got this one here. Again, you've got some stitching around the edge and one of the Edwardian ladies. Gorgeous bow at the top. This one here, which is just kind of a smaller tag, quite simple in design. This one here with a lovely bow as the tab for the tag there. And then you've got this massive tag here with a variety of things on there, some lace, flowers, and this flower here. Again, obviously plain on the back for journaling. You've got this one again, which is another large tag, some lace and a little frame and a paper tab that we've kind of, done before in a tutorial. This one here, you've got some lace along the bottom, the word cherish, a little butterfly there and a couple of numbers. And then here you've got one of my handmade tabs here with one of those lovely wax cabochons that we've obviously made together in videos. That's kind of finishing that tag off, and it just looks so pretty because it picks up the colour of the butterfly. This one here, which is a decoupage napkin tag, and you've just got one of those little kind of ribbon banner type pieces and a little kind of circle there that's been glossy accented and a butterfly there. And then finally, you've got this tag here, which has got a, what do you call this? Acetate, sort of like a window basically that's been stitched around, and then you've got kind of detail underneath. You've got a butterfly here and a bow, and then here you've just got this ribbon here and a wax seal like that. So super, super pretty. So that is tag bag number 1. So you get obviously the 10 tags, sorry. So that's tag bag number 1. Tag bag number 2 is this one with the dog on the cover of the tag bag itself and the lime green butterfly. You've got this pretty, teal coloured sari silk. And again, exactly the same, contained within, you've got a selection of 10 different tags. Again, I'm not going to dwell too much with what's on the back of them because they are obviously plain, but you've got a variety of different tags in here. Love this massive tag. So you've got a variety of different sizes and obviously styles. Some are much more elaborate than others. I mean, this is quite an elaborate tag. You've got wax seal and, what have you on there. And these are obviously, much smaller, kind of more simple tags. But you should have a good variety and a good mixture of all of them. This one here with this hot air balloon in the acetate there. Love how that looks. This one here, this is probably my favourite tag in this particular packet. Although, having said that, actually, I might be fibbing. I might be fibbing because, yeah, I do really like this one. We'll see. So, yeah, we've got this one here with all the different bits. And this is my handmade paper where we've got those gold kind of splotches. Splotches, yeah. So, yeah, love that one. And the lady Then this one here, again, it's got a wax seal and some lace and then some sari silk at the top. Oh, sorry about that if you heard that door slam. This one here with a little kind of oval shape there, and again stitching around on there. This one here, which, I mean, I love things like this because they're so versatile. I mean, that would literally go on pretty much any journal that you made. So yeah, just really, really love that kind of simplicity. And then we've got this one here with the film star, you know, the movie star film strips. And we definitely made this on camera together. So yeah, just absolutely love that one. So that is tag bag number 2. Okay, and tag bag number 3 is this one here where you've got the word memories and obviously some more of that pom-pom trim in the pink and then the pink bow at the top. So exactly the same, you've got the 10 tags contained within there. So you've got this one to start with, which is a sort of different shaped tag. You've got a sort of more rectangle, and then the tab for the tag is kind of attached to the background page of that. We've got this one here, which again, I think this is some of my homemade or handmade papers. And then a couple of lovely bits on there. This is also my handmade paper actually. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. This one here, again, it's got one of those Edwardian ladies and lots of stitching. This is the collage masterboard. And then you've got the fabric as the bow on there. This one here, which, I mean, I just absolutely love this. And you've got, again, ribbon and a wax seal. This one here, you've got an organza ribbon at the top and then lots of different bits layered up and again stitching around the edge. I do apologise because this has obviously dabbed into some inks and things on my desk, but that's that one. This one here, which is very, very different because you've got obviously that chair, which, how gorgeous is that? It just looks so pretty, doesn't it? And then this one actually opens up, so it's a little kind of yeah, like a little booklet with some pockets in the inside. So I just popped in a couple of digital photographs in there, and yeah, really love that one, I have to say. Then this one, again, this is some of my handmade paper, which has been kind of stamped and what have you onto watercolour papers, and then various bits layered up, some lace trim and some lace trim down the bottom. This one here with, this is a portion from a digital copy of a vintage photograph, and I've just layered her onto some lace and things and put this lovely bow at the top. Again, I think this is from, yeah, Collage Masterboard. Just makes a lovely tag. This one here, again, it's kind of a regular shape, and this is a fabric tag. So the actual background of this is completely fabric, and then you've got bits layered up on top of this with some lace trim and some diamante, and again, plain for journaling on the back. And then this one, finally, we've got lots of different bits layered up on the front and then again, plain on the back for journaling. So that's your 10 tags in tag bag number 3. So they are all in my Etsy. That you like all the tags, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. They will be listed in my Etsy shop, like I say, at 2 p.m. GMT today. So if you want to get one, you know, good luck, and I hope that you manage to get one. And yeah, watch out obviously at 2 p.m. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks then. Bye.